Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up hoses on the Bissell CrossWave 1785 vacuum cleaner? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove water tank. Start by removing the clean water tank, located at the back of the machine, by lifting it straight up. Step 2. Fill water tank. Fill this clean water tank with warm tap water and the precise Bissell solution. Avoid using boiling water. Step 3. Adjust water level. For a small area cleaning, fill to the first water line and the first formula line. For larger areas, use the second lines. Step 4. Reattach water tank. Slide the clean water tank back onto the machine, aligning it with the grooves until it clicks into place. Step 5. Secure cap position. Once aligned, screw the cap back securely onto the clean water tank. Step 6. Check connections. Finally, double-check all connections for tightness and security before using the vacuum cleaner. With these steps, you should have a properly performing Bissell CrossWave 1785 vacuum cleaner, ready to clean any surface. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bissell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.